To the AFP-PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026 hatid sa atin ng City Mayor's Office. Today is Thursday morning here in Davao City. At napakaganda ng matchup natin ngayon in our first game. It's the RMU Region 11 up against the RMFB Region 11. No? Itong ating dalawang kupunan are competing for the pride of their teams. No, shoutout natin of course ng ating commissioner Coach Pong Escobal, and kasama natin syempre dito no ang SBP or the Davra Group for the officiating officials. Ayan, at magsisimula na po tayo in our first game. Bola po sa RMFB. Here comes Pelicano with that hustle play. Good defense, by the way, by jersey number 18 in that possession. So, we can see zone play ginagawa ngayon ng team ng RMU. Long three, no good. Pelicano. Ayan, here comes Lanoy with that strong finish. Alano is a very versatile big man, can play inside and outside. Here comes RMU, good drop pass but better defense right there by Pelicano. Good anticipation in that possession. Here we go. This time a 3-point attempt coming from their leader, Nogo. This time, here comes the RMFB. They gave it to Pelicano for three. No good. Lanoy with the offensive board decided to reset. This time, De La Rosa. Good drop pass to Lanoy. Spins. No good. This time, on the fast break play para sa RMU. Bartolin. Drop pass inside. Kicks it out. Almost an interception. Yes, it is. Pelicano, one-on-one on the fast break, spins and kiss the glass. Napakaganda ng atake doon ni Pelicano in that possession. This time, here we go. RMU setting the tone para sa kanilang kupunan. Acero loses the ball. Ball possession. Let's take a look at this wonderful replay hatid sa atin ng City Mayor's Office. Napaganda ng galawang yan hatid sa atin ni Pelicano. This time, they dump it inside. Pull up jumper. No good. Big rebound by Lamparas. Skip pass to Pelicano. Fast break, 1-2 punch. No good. Another chance for Pelicano. What a hustle play from John Pelicano. Talagang very mobile itong player na to, can run the floor so quick that nagkakaroon sila ng advantage in the fast break opportunity. Mid-range jumper, no good. RMFB once again. De La Rosa hustling hard. Drives inside, no good. Lanoy grabs the rebound but loose ball. Ball possession will stay to RMFBs. So 6-0 start of the first quarter. They dump it inside to John Milvar. Lamparas for three and kaboom! What a good decision right there. And a good kick out from John Milvar, by the way, in that possession. 9-0 run. Still RMU, pull up tray, no go. Good offensive board. They dump it inside. Good drop pass right there. And a lefty shot coming from jersey number 18, Villarosa of the RMU Region 11. That's the first shot after the 3 minutes mark. Pelicano, nako, napakaganda ng kanyang reverse layup there. Very good body control in that possession. This time, here we go. Villarosa once again, rejected by Lamparas. Fast break. De La Rosa also on the wide side. Lamparas rebound. But they were not able to make that fast break points. This time, good drop pass inside. Kicks it out from the three-point area. Bartolin, no good. Fast break opportunity, pero hindi na nahabol. And the ball possession will stay. Let's take a look at this replay. Napaganda ng high-low play coming from Lanoy to Pelicano. Good connection. And this is also a good drop pass to Villarosa right there for RMU, their first shot of the game. This time, here we go. Darog kicks it out to the wing side. 12 seconds. They decided to take a trade. No good. Lamparas on the fast break. Lamparas driving, slicing. But ball possession will stay to the RMFB. So 2-11 early in the first quarter. So once again, this league is the AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. Lanoy with that strong finish inside. Ibang klase talaga itong si Lanoy. Pagdating sa ilalim, very mobile, very agile as well. This time, here we go. John Milvar. Lamparas, wide open tray. And that's the second triple of the game. Grabe ang gising ni Lamparas early in the first quarter, damaging with 2 triples from downtown. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Daog this time. Daog with no defender. Good drop pass inside, but there you go, Lanoy. Trying to defend pero umabot siya doon at natawagan ng foul. Let's take a look at this. Red hot sharpshooter para lang si Alan Kaidik. Itong si Johnny Lamparas. At a free throw will be given to Acero this time. So shoutouts natin ang ating mga viewers online, no? Maraming salamat po sa inyo for tuning with us today in the AFP PNB Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. De La Rosa with good rebound right there by RMFB. De La Rosa once again. But ball deflected. 8 seconds will stay for the RMFB. Here comes Johnny Lamparas. Decided to kick it out to De La Rosa for 3. No good. Good rebound. Lanoy. That will count since the ball hit the rim over that shot clock winding down. Ito si the RMFB stolen once again. Fast break opportunity. Lamparas to Milvar. Good as touch pass right there. Napakagandang teamwork yon. Nagkakaamuyan talaga itong RMFB pagdating sa fast break. Polancos rejected right there by De La Rosa. Pelicano on the fast break. 1-on-4. They gave it to Milvar. So big, so strong itong si John Milvar. Parang naalala ko kay John si Tim Duncan ng San Antonio Spurs. Parang ganun talaga yung galawan. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Daog for 3. No good. Acero with the offensive board. Kicks it out to Polancos. Bartolin for 3. Yes, sir! Ang ganda ng takbuhan ni Bartolin pagkatapos tumira ng napakagandang 3-point shot hatid sa atin. Siyempre, ng City Mayor's Office. Lamparas this time. Kicks it out to De La Rosa. Side step. No good. Milvar with that second chance points. Napakagaling talaga pumuesto sa ilalim nitong si John Milvar. Timothy Duncan ng RMFB rather. Acero misses that shot. Fast break play ngayon, Pelicano. But good interception right there from Bartolin. So 2 minutes na lang po ang natitira in the first quarter ball of action. Napakaganda na pinapakita so far ng RMFB. They are well coordinated. De La Rosa wants to try a triple once again para kay De La Rosa. Napakaganda naman ng arc na yon. Ang gandang gising para sa RMFB. A blowout game right away from the first quarter, but Bartolin wants to redeem themselves. Ayan, napakaganda. This time, De La Rosa once again. Sidestep. Good drop pass sa ilalim. Napakaganda. Grabe ang galawan ni De La Rosa. Naalala ko tuloy parang si Lino Cruz ng Red Bull dati itong si De La Rosa. 29-10 po ang score natin. Daog, mid-range jumper, no good. Pelicano grabs the board. They gave it to Lamparas on the fast break. Lamparas kicks it out to De La Rosa. Once again, no good. But now, good body control right there. Ito, fast break opportunity. De La Rosa. This time, De La Rosa from RMU scored in that fast break. Ito na naman, De La Rosa. Naagawan na De La Rosa. Grabe yung mga De La Rosa ngayon. Daog this time. Fades away. No good. This time, correction, it's Villarosa and De La Rosa rather. Yan. So, score po natin is 29-12. Yun, ganda ng takbuhan nun ni Villarosa. Lamparas this time, pressured by Daog. Kicks it out to De La Rosa, same spot, but this time he was not able to make it. Lamparas, they give it to Pelicano. Steal by Polancos on the fast break, 4-on-1. Kicks it out, Bartolin pulls up, no good. Daog with a save, but oh no. Napasa niya sa outside lane. Ito, konting segundo na lang para sa first quarter. Lamparas wants to make sure it's their last shot for the first quarter. Johnny, pressured by Daog. Kicks it out to De La Rosa for 3. No good. Another fast break opportunity. Daog wide open. Let's see, he's gonna make it. Nako! Umabot na ata. Let's see ano yung call ng ating officiating officials. Antayin po natin. Yes, I think let's take a look at that. Napakaganda, umabot pala, no? They call it as a count. Naku, parang nasa Space Jam lang itong si Daog. At magbabalik po tayo in the second quarter. Stay tuned. 14-29. At nagbabalik po tayo in the second quarter ball of action. Was our game highlights earlier. Napaganda ng performance so far ng RMFB in this first quarter alone. Contributing Johnny Lamparas, of course De La Rosa with those triple. And the same time, napaganda ng fast break points nitong si Pelicano. And rebounds naman para kay Milvar. But speaking of that, the second stringer of RMFB once again striking from downtown. That makes the lead into 16 points. Eto, natawagan ng foul in that possession. So, once again, this is the AFP-PNP. Ito yung 3-point shot of the game. Hatid sa atin ng Davaoenyo Disiplinado. So, shoutout sa mga taga Davao dyan, no? Ang mga nagtatrabaho natin ng mga bayani. Mabuhay po kayo. Lorete with a scoop. Grabe, no? Parang si Lastic Man lang itong si Joey Lorete. Lastic Man yung galawan, no? Napakahaba ng kamay. Naalala ko tuloy si Arwin Santos sa kanya. Ayan, eto, jumper from Polancos, no good. Big rebound there. And this time, De La Rosa on the fast break, sidestep. Good drop pass right there, but misses the shot. Lorete, here we go. De La Rosa steps back for three. No good. And this time naman, etong naman si Polancos. Nagmamadali. Kinanan pa. Very simple basketball itong si Polancos, no? He's one of the leading scorer. Lorete, the Aka Spider-Man ng RMFB. Napakahaba ng kanyang galamay. Nakikita mo naman, no? Talagang very athletic mobile player itong si Lorete. Another steal. Counter steal. Bartolin. Another steal. Almost a steal. Grabe, nag-aagawan na ng bola talaga dito sa loob. I like that the energy and the tenacity. Ito yung replay para kay Lorete. Hatid sa atin ng Davaoenyo Disiplinado. At sa kabila naman itong si Polancos. This time, speaking of Polancos on the rush, nagmamadali. Driving! Nako! Ibang klase. Let's take a look at that, no? Ibang klase din yung layup na yun, ni Polancos, no? Nabitawan niya yung bola. Napasarap siya sa takbo dun. This time, De La Rosa wants to try to hit the triple. They kick it out. Ito na naman, another 3-point attempt. Wala. Grabe yung offensive board. This is the third possession. De La Rosa misses the triple once again. Another steal. Espina kicks it out to De La Rosa. Sidestep. Yun! Rap De La Rosa has been the dominant force so far para sa RMFB Region 11. Bartolin, driving baseline. Medyo nabitawan ni Bartolin doon. And now, possession para sa RMFB ulit. Medyo lumulobo na yung kalamangan nila here in the first game of the AFP-PNP Thursday morning here in Davao. Ayan na naman, De La Rosa ulit. Gustong sumubok. Floater shot. No good. And now, here we go. Bartolin on the fast break. Daog. High level pass. Polancos. No good. But big rebound there by the RMFB. Fast break. De La Rosa wants to try the triple. No good. Another offensive rebound from Espina. Ibang klase ang energy na pinapakita ng RMFB dito sa kanilang first game. Thursday morning, araw ng RMFB ata ngayon. Another boards. Fast break opportunity to Lastic Man. Wala naman, hindi na shoot. Second chance points. Here we go. Tangkawan. They gave it to De La Rosa for three. Long bomb. No good. This time, binigay kay De La Rosa ulit. Wants to try. Not this time, but Espina wants to get the second chance points. Nabitawan nga lang. At napa-timeout na itong RMFB. Kakausapin ni Coach Manigo itong team nila. Magbabalik po tayo in a short while. Nagbabalik po tayo in the second quarter, last 5 minutes, Daog. This time, good drop pass para sa ilalim. Kaso nagmintis nga lang doon on that fast break. De La Rosa once again, sidestep. Grabe yung galawan ni De La Rosa na naman. Grabe, nanonood pala sa atin ngayon. Shouting out from Phil Jan. Umiibig na ngayon from Doña Pilar, itong si Phil Jan. At nanonood din sa atin natin mga kaibigan sa LTO. Yan, shoutout sa inyo. Patrick Guidato, Mark Francisco. Stay safe po sa inyong operation. Polancos, this time intercepted. This time De La Rosa once again wants to make a move. De La Rosa, sidestep. Grabe. Itong mga galawan ni De La Rosa ngayon, nakikita ko that ginaganahan talaga siya. Start in the first quarter, down to second quarter, same energy, same level of game. He's been one of the contributor from inside and outside. Here comes De La Rosa, wants to hit the triple. Medyo napalakas. Lagare, they keep on giving the ball to their shooter, De La Rosa. Parang mala Steph Curry lang talaga yung galawan dito. De La Rosa, once again. But not this time, no? Ayan. Dumadami na ating mga viewers online, no? Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa mga nagsa-shoutout sa ating live. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe itong Madayaw Sports Davao. Acero, pull-up tray. No good. Lagare to Lastic Man. Lorete rather. Napakahaba talaga nitong si Lorete. Polancos. Yes sir, with a triple. Ibang klase din. Ito nga si Polancos, silent sniper from the wing side. 21-44. De La Rosa with his dribbling skills. Lorete to Tangkawan for 3. Ito, dalawang 3-point shot na itong si Tangkawan this time. Polancos misses the shot. Lorete to De La Rosa. De La Rosa on the top of the key for Trey. No go. Here comes the Lastic Man. Napakahaba talaga ng kamay nitong si Joey Lorete. What an impressive game so far para sa RMFB. RMU still silence in this first half. They gave it to Polancos. Dump it inside to Acero. Yes, sir. Acero with that inside basket. Courtesy of Polancos on that assist. Now this time De La Rosa intercepted by Villarosa. Villarosa bothered by the Lastic Man. Grabe talaga ang haba ng kamay. De La Rosa on the drive. Kicks it out to Tangkawan for Trey. Yes, sir! Ibang klase ang galaw nitong si Tangkawan. Tatlong 3-point shot in this quarter alone. Another interception. De La Rosa on the fast break kontra Polancos. Sidestep. No good. Another rebound. But this time, RMU controls. There we go. Daog. Sidestep. No good. But the Lastic Man controls it. Here comes Tangkawan. They give it to De La Rosa. Steph Curry. No good. Binigay ulit kay De La Rosa ulit. Second chance. Kaboom! Grabe. Red hot itong si Sir De La Rosa. From downtown, mala Steph Curry lang ginagalaw. Magbabalik po kami in a short while. Ayan, nagbabalik po tayo in our second quarter ball of action. It's a solid game so far from De La Rosa of the RMFB. And the crew still silenced from the RMU 11. Polancos with that sky-high rebound. Polancos no good. Lagare with the board. De La Rosa in control. De La Rosa has been the marksman so far. Lagare, De La Rosa for three. No good. Another second chance points. De La Rosa has it. He sidestep. Grabe, the mighty mouse na naman ang galawan ni De La Rosa doon. Ibang klase. Ang init ng laro ni De La Rosa ngayong araw na to. Kasing init ng araw ngayon sa Davao. Napakainit ng panahon. Pero De La Rosa still is the marksman of the RMFB. Another chance for RMU. The Elastic Man grabs the rebound. De La Rosa on the three-point shot. No good. Rebound by Tangkawan. It's all about De La Rosa. It's all about De La Rosa. Speaking of, grabe yung offensive board ngayon ng RMFB, but 24 seconds na lang natitira. RMU will still have the chance to cut down the lead in this possession. 23-57 po ang score po natin para sa AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. Polancos for the tray. Rebound by Lagare. Here comes De La Rosa once again. De La Rosa penetrates. Nako! Grabe! Jelly! Jelly move! Etong si Rap De La Rosa. What a performance so far from De La Rosa. Look at that! Up and under. Another take. Another take. Look at that! Up and under. Pinaikot pa. Kaya magbabalik po tayo in the second half. Welcome to the third quarter ball of action dito sa AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026, hatid sa atin ng City Mayor's Office. Siyempre, babatiin natin ang ating napakagwapong commissioner, Coach Bong Escobal. At kasama natin, siyempre, ang tournament director natin, si Sir Mickey Dihita at sila Sir Miggy Solitaria. Siyempre, kasama din natin dito ang sila Sir Mino JR. Yan. Sila Madam Donna Lane. Yan, grabe itong mga big bosses natin. Ang mga nasa likod ng tournament na ito back-to-back tournament. They are making history dito sa Davao City. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo, mga sir, mga ma'am. Patuloy nyo lang po yung mga sports advocacy ninyo para sa mga Davaoenos. Speaking of that, eto, no, beneficiary talaga itong mga Davaoenyo, lalong-lalo na itong AFP-PNP. Having this broadcast live, pambihira, no? Walang ganito dati, but ngayon, sobrang ganda. They were able to see their games, highlights, and productions. Kaya maraming salamat po sa mga bumubuo ng ligang ito. Shoutout din sa ating mga kababayan dyan sa Davao City, no? Pinansagang Davaoenyo Disiplinado. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At sa lahat ng mga bumubuo na nasa likod ng ligang ito. Yan. This time, Camacho checks in para sa RMFB. De La Rosa. What a move. Speaking of that, ito yung sinasabi natin. It's all about De La Rosa for RMFB. He is the face of the RMFB right now. He's been playing all day. 27-59 po ang score natin in this ball game. Kaya grabe ang pinapakita ngayon, no, ni De La Rosa. Once again! Grabe! Hang time by De La Rosa right there. 27-61. This time, we go. No good. RMU. Villarosa, short range. Bartolin with a rebound. Here comes Daog. Hesitates. Villarosa, good drop pass to Acero. Second window. And he makes it. Ibang klase din ang pinapakita ngayon ni Acero. He's been the go-to guy so far, but De La Rosa this time got intercepted by Polancos. Skip pass to Daog. Medyo napalakas lang yung pasa. So RMFB will still has the possession. Ito yung replay. Second window basket. Ibang klase. I like that coordination and the focus. 3-point attempt, no good. Acero on the fast break. Speeding up. They dump it to Bartolin. Bartolin kissed the glass. Ibang klase. This time, here we go. RMFB, they gave it to De La Rosa. 7 minutes. De La Rosa for three. Yes, sir! It's all about De La Rosa in this morning for the RMFB. Polancos hesitates. Acero fakes. And he scored out of that traffic. And now, here we go. De La Rosa once again. This time he missed the triple. Polancos penetrates. Good rejection by Camacho. De La Rosa, 3-on-3. De La Rosa, good pass right there. At napagandang finish from jersey number 26. That's Salvania. But answered by Polancos right away. This time, they gave it to Camacho. Camacho. Dump it inside. I think that was Salvania rather. Acero on the fast break. So easy para kay Acero. 38-66 po ang score natin. Another interception by Polancos. Fast break. Nako, that's his spot. And that's their 39th mark of the ball game para sa RMU 11. Medyo nakakarami na yung RMU, no, in this ball game, but that's jersey number 26. Salvania in that mid-range shot. Correction, short range shot. This time, Daog. Villarosa crosses over. Kicks it out to Daog. Daog, pull up J. No good. Big rebound right there. And they dump it in. They pass it to De La Rosa this time. De La Rosa attacking the basket. Drop pass to Salvania. What a pass. And a good finish. Acero wants to answer it. Good shot by Acero right there. 41-70, 29 points deficit. De La Rosa wants to triple. No go. Salvania, short range. Another offensive board by Romel Cameros. One of the leading sharpshooter para sa team. Daog, pull-up jumper. Yes, sir! Ang ganda ng high-rising pull-up jumper ni Daog there. There we go, Cameros. Step back. Yes, sir! Grabe, sinabi ko na, shooter talaga itong si Cameros. Ibang klase din talaga ang kamay nito. Naalala ko tuloy si Alan Kaidik sa kanya. Kaliwete. At napaka-consistent sa 3-point shot. Polancos. Good shot by Ben Polancos. Another shot by Romel Cameros. At napa-timeout na itong RMU. Magbabalik po kami. And nagbabalik po tayo dito po sa Davao City Recreational Center, the heart of Davao City Sports. It's the AFP-PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. Hatid sa atin ng City Mayor's Office. And so far, RMFB and RMU11, it's all about De La Rosa. Rejected this time by Bartolin. They gave it to Camacho. No go. De La Rosa left wide open. Nako, Steph Curry! Ibang klase talaga itong si De La Rosa. It's all about De La Rosa. They've been feeding their shooter. He's wide open and he's been hitting those downtown tray. Ayan. Let's take a look at that replay. Ayan, oh. Looking for the shooter. Parang nagwa-warm up lang itong si De La Rosa. Nako, lakad lang. Di ba? Galing eh. At Polancos naman sa kabilang kupunan. It's been consistent so far in his points para sa RMU 11. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. De La Rosa to Salvania. No go. Big rebound right there. De La Rosa left wide open for three. No go. Ball will reside to RMU. This time Daog. Daog. They gave it to Acero. Nako, kinaliwa. I like the penetration there from Acero. 2 minutes on the third quarter po natitira. De La Rosa slicing. No go. Second chance opportunity. They gave it to Salvania. Correction, Cameros rather. Kiss the glass para kay Romel Cameros. This time, Polancos. Bartolin with a long range. Good shot para kay Bartolin. Cameros wants to redeem that tray. Offensive board. Yes, it is. Cameros to De La Rosa. Long range. De La Rosa penetrates. Big rebound right there. Camacho for Trey. No go. 1 minute to go. Acero. Very agile big. Daog. Short range. No go. So, agawan ng bola doon. Let's take a look at this replay by Bartolin on that three-point area. Good shot. We're not giving up here. Polancos, wide open. No go. Rebound by Acero. Fades away. This time, they gave it to De La Rosa. De La Rosa, the face of RMFB. Offensive board. Good rebound right there. So 52-83 po ang score at 31 points lead in this ball game. Acero. At napa-timeout pa itong RMFB. Magbabalik po kami. And back to the ball game po tayo. Last 15 seconds remaining on the game clock. RMFB will have the chance to seal the deal. Cameros, very good shooter right there. Villarosa, fast break at pumasok pa yung puntos na yon para sa RMU. What a performance so far sa dalawang kupunan. RMFB still continuing the impact. They've been rock solid in their performance, 85-56. Kaya magbabalik po tayo in the fourth quarter. Abangan po natin yan. Ayan po, nagbabalik po tayo sa fourth quarter ball of action. Dito po yan sa AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. Hatid sa atin ng City Mayor's Office. At saka syempre, babatiin natin ang ating Commissioner, Coach Pong Escobar. Nanonood siya sa atin ngayon. And syempre, sila J. Armino, Donna Lane, at of course, sila Boss Mickey Dihita. Maraming salamat sa inyo, boss, for gracing us this tournament. Dahil sa inyo nangyari po at posible po kahit hindi tayo pro, ma-enjoy natin yung basketball dito sa Davao City. Having this live streaming coverage, maraming salamat po sa inyo at sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa atin sa Madayao Sports Davao. Please like and share itong official Facebook page ng Madayao Sports Davao. Yan, 8 minutes and 57 seconds, 88. On the 3-point area, no go. fast break opportunity para kay Acero. And he scored. Ito si Acero, no? A very huge player. Can play inside and outside. Very mobile. This time, they dump it inside. Fades away. Good shot right there. From Jason Carrido. And now, bola ngayon, mapupunta pa rin sa RMFB. Let's take a look at that. Ito yung fast break points para kay Acero. Touchdown, one-legged layup. Now, here we go. Pull up J from Acero. Now this time, here we go. RMU, Daog, offensive board. They gave it to Villarosa. Villarosa, good pass to Daog. Daog, grabe. Sure ball talaga. Itong galawan ni Chris Daog. This time, here comes Carrido with a lay. Very wide open. Medyo loose yung depensa ng pinapakita ng RMU. Villarosa, they gave it to Polancos for Trey. And he kissed the glass. This time, here we go. Fast break points. Daog decided to give it to Polancos. 6 straight points para sa Team RMU. 63-91 po ang score natin in this ball game. De La Rosa misses the triple on the fast break. This is the 8th straight points by Villarosa at sa kupunan ng RMU. 8-0 run, correction, 8-2 run para sa RMU Region 11. De La Rosa attacking the traffic. Dump it inside to Crido. They give it to Malvar. John, fix. And ball will be given to Malvar for free throws. Let's take a look at the replay. No? Ayan, no? Polancos, kiss the glass. No? Pasok. It's been the dominant force so far para sa RMU. 11. 6 minutes to go in the fourth quarter ball of action. Yeah. And the RMFB has been the dominating force so far para sa larong ito. Bartolin. They dump it inside to Villarosa. Yes, sir. Correction. That was Acero rather. De La Rosa for Trey. But John Milvar, second chance points. This time, here we go. Carrido, pull up Jake. Open na open, no? Ito nga si Carrido. Bartolin, gustong bumawi. Yes, sir! 3-point basket, hatid sa atin ni Bartolin. So, 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. They gave it to De La Rosa. Wants to try a tray. No go. John Milvar. No good. Bola ngayon mapupunta para sa RMU. Yes, sir. Open na open. Ito si Villarosa. 74-97 po ang score. De La Rosa for Trey. No good. Nakakarami na. And this time, Villarosa from RMU hits the shot. 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Korong They keep on swinging the ball. Garrido with the offensive board. De La Rosa attacks. They dump it to Milvar, creating space. Good, proper spacing and positioning from John Milvar. Let's take a look at this replay. You see the body contact of John Milvar in that possession. So back to the ball game po tayo. 4 minutes na lang po natitira. Jason Villarosa once again scored so far. This time, here we go. Here comes De La Rosa once again. Oh, grabe. Can you call BFP because somebody is red hot on fire here in Almendras Gym. Itong si De La Rosa. Napakainit ng laro. I think kailangan natin ng Bureau of Fire Protection dito para kailangan palamigin. Itong si De La Rosa sobrang init na. Kanina pa. Once again, eto na naman. Almost, but not there. Medyo napasobra yung asinta ni De La Rosa doon. Look at that, no? Parang si Steph Curry lang, oh. Grabe, ang ganda pa ng arc. This time, here we go. RMFB, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. De La Rosa, same spot. Not this time. Misses the angle. Bartolin, long range, pull up J. But this time Polancos fades away. No go. Lamparas. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Johnny Lamparas trying to melt down the clock, but De La Rosa once again. Can we call 911 as this man is red hot from downtown? Another shot there from Polancos. 80-105. De La Rosa wants for triple, but not this time. 80-105. 25 points up by RMFB. Daog, no good. This time, Lamparas. So they gave it to De La Rosa. Eto, Jelly! Grab De La Rosa ulit. I told you it's all about De La Rosa. This time, Polancos gustong dumakdak but hindi umaabot. Acero with that grab offensive board. 109. Lamparas to De La Rosa with a free throw. No go. But John Milvar finished it in. So 56 seconds na lang po natitira. Daog gusto din tumira ng 3. Not this time. Villarosa. Another chance for Daog. No good. But here we go. Binigay Acero. Scored. And we are hearing the final countdown. So far, De La Rosa misses that shot. Impossible. But this time, Polancos wants to slam. No go. Eto, De La Rosa once again. Seal the deal by Rob De La Rosa, the man of the day. Etong si Rob De La Rosa. And congratulations para sa kupunan ng RMFB for winning 111 to 84. What a performance for the rest of the crew. But the man and the face of RMFB, Rap De La Rosa, has been the dominating force of the day. Kaya congratulations for player of the game, Rap De La Rosa. Outstanding performance. First quarter to fourth quarter, walang labas-labas. Ibang klase ang energy level ni Rap De La Rosa. Kaya ngayon, magbabalik po tayo para sa second game. Abangan po natin, it's the DCPO, Davao City Police Office up against Taoist Min Air Force. Abangan po natin yan sa AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026.